Good morning.
Morning. So now, let's proceed to measurement scales or the scale of measurement. So, diba tapos na natin ang talakay kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng measurement. So, meron ba nakakaalala sa inyo kung ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Measurement.
Kung i-measure ang mean mode media.
Okay, please, tumayo kung merong mga idea.
Iyon po ba tungkol sa mean mode and median?
Okay, so yung sinabi mo, yung mean, mode, median, ay ang measures of central tendency.
Yeah.
So anyone, ano ang ibig sabihin ng measurement? Go on. Okay. First meaning, meron ka ba idea kung ano ang measurement? Okay, so measurement is a process of assigning value to a covariable or to a variable, So assigning value. Yes, naman?
Yes.
Itatambol ng... So there are 4 levels of scales of measurement. So first level or the lowest is the nominal level or nominal.
How ba na sila sa model shirt?
No, hindi. Nominal, and the second level is the ordinal. Ordinal. Third is the interval. And the highest level is the ratio. So, ang first and second level natin ay nasa itong dalawa na ito ay categorical. So, it means pwede natin i-assign ang variable sa certain na category. Yes lang ba?
Yes, certain category.
Tapos ang interval and the ratio is ang ating numerical. So, meron na talaga tayong value nito, di ba? So, this one, pwede tayong mag-assign. I-assign yung isang variable, for example, F for female, M for male. Okay. So, una, tatalakayin muna natin una ang nominal. Okay. So, nominal. Meron bang ideya kung ano level ito?
Si Linus na answer.
Okay. Yanes?
So the nominal is the first level of measurement. So meaning in this level of measurement, the nominal numbers in the variable are used only to classify the data.
Okay, tama. So, in nominal level, the number is used for labeling or identification purposes only. So, gets mo ba? For in nominal the number is used or the number or the letters or any variable is used only for labeling and identification. So what does it mean? Malinaw? Okay, so it means that observations can be named without particular order or ranking imposed on that data. So words, you can use words, letters, and even numbers to classify the data. So in this level, no, we don't care about the order or the difference, the ranking of the data. Ang concern lang natin dito is ang giving of name, our naming lang ang ating concern dito sa level na ito. So for example, meron ba kayong example? Na Okay. Example, meron ba? Meron ba makakapagbigay?
Nominal pa the third?
Yes, nominal level. Example. Can anyone give me an example of nominal level? Laguna?
So, example and nominal. Students identification number of section number.
Okay,
There is
tama.
identification.
Okay, so students identification number or section number. And also, gender. We can also, another example for nominal level is gender. So gender, di ba, alam naman natin na M is for male
And female.
and female.
Female.
Okay.
Like,
So we can label them as M or F. So here, but we don't have any ranking. Di ba? Hindi naman natin ito kung ano dito ang mas mataas. Walang
Oo.
order.
Oo.
Dahil na ang ating purpose lang sa nominal level is to give
identification.
label or
Label.
identification lamang.
Oo.
So, dito, wala rin tayo, hindi rin natin makikita yung difference ng isa ng data. Dahil hindi naman natin to. Anong pinagkaiba ng male and female? Wala tayong data na, or wala tayong value na, masasabi na ang pinagkaiba nila ay ganito or ganyan. Okay. Second level is the ordinal level. So please read.
It is used when the values can belong to some order or characteristic. The numeric values used can indicate a difference in traits under consideration.
Okay. So here in ordinal level, so order. So
Oh.
describes ranking or order. So the numeric values used to indicate the differences or the difference in traits is under consideration. Okay, so what does it mean? What does it mean, Prabhat? Everyone? Okay, so
Maguna. For example, in academic performance, so if there's a rank, if you get 90, 80, so the 90 will be automatically the first owner, and then
Okay, so we can also use the academic awards, but you do, here in ordinal level, we don't know the exact value.
Or
Or we
face
don't know the, like 90, first, second is 80, so wala numbers na involved. So, remember these two levels, walang numbers na nakakaloob ito. Okay? So, it means that the difference or ratio between two rankings may not always be the same. For example, first honor. So, academic awards ito na. Second, third, third, and so on. So here, no, makikita natin yung order kung sino ang mataas sa kanila. So obviously, ang mataas is ang first honor.
Opo.
But we don't know kung ano yung talagang
Percentage nila ang
percentage. So we can say na first honor, the difference score ng first honor and second honor is 3%, and this one is 3% also kasi nga magkakaiba. Okay? It also may not always be the same. Okay. So, for example, 3% yung sa first honor and the difference sa first honor and the second. So, it's not necessary na 3% din yung pagitan ng second and third and fourth and fifth and so on. Okay. So, we are not concerned with their here we are not concerned with their difference, but we are concerned of their order lamang. So makikita lang natin yung order at yung ranking. Okay, so here we can see kung ano yung mataas, okay? And sino yung mababa sa ranking na ating binigay. But if we say that the difference or the ratio between the two rankings may not be always the same. So another example is level of satisfaction. So, level of okay. So levels of satisfaction. So we can assign number. Like number 1 is for very satisfied. Then 2 is for satisfied. 3 is for unsatisfied. And 4 is for very unsatisfied. So here we use number to assign category or assign the variable to a certain category. Okay, so we cannot so first, second, third, 3, and 4. So levels of satisfaction. Okay, so very satisfied. Satisfied. Unsatisfied. Or not very. Okay. So we cannot measure. So give an example, we cannot measure kung anong saktong difference ng level of satisfaction natin, di ba? So, but we can say that the level of satisfaction is in order kasi nga, so 1 is very satisfied and 2 is very unsatisfied and 3rd is for unsatisfied and 4th is for the very unsatisfied. Dahil ito ay very subjective, di ba? So, we cannot measure the difference. So, ang alam lang natin is yung mataas yung very satisfied ito. Right? Okay. So, let's proceed to the third level, which is the interval level. Please read everyone. Read the slide. The third level, the interval level.
Which? But let's answer with load ng Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Interval level.
Third okay, nagpunta na? Okay, nagpunta? Sorry.
Oh, siloteryo lang.
Okay, Secretary, please read the slide.
Laki per master, no? Yes. Or this is
Ay, number 3, interval,
Yes, interval.
which has the properties of both nominal and ordinal scales, attained when the values can describe the magnitude of the difference between groups or when the intervals between the numbers are equal.
Okay, stop. So here, it indicates an actual amount. So again ha, this level or these two levels indicates a amount. So
Yes.
it's numerical. Okay.
Nanay number.
Yes. So nanay mga numbers or values.
Values.
Okay. Then the order and the difference between the variables can be known also. But there is a limitation to this level, and its limitation is it has no true zero. So, okay, so for example, please read the slide. Okay, so Dennis.
The most common example of interval scale is temperature readings.
Okay. Tama. So example, temperature. So 60. Okay, so example for interval level is temperature. For example, 60 degrees, 60, 20, 10, negative 10. Okay, so what have you observed sa given nga example natin?
9 Celsius degree of temperature. Oh, degree
Temperature,
Celsius.
and then there's also number or
Yes, values.
Numerical.
Okay.
Nako,
So here, di ba, makikita natin yung order. So, 60 is the highest, second, 20, 10, and negative 15 is the lowest. Okay. So here, di ba, nasabi ko na ang limitation of this level is it has no true zero. Zero. So, ano yung ibig sabihin na it has no true zero? Guys.
Unsa lecture?
There is no true zero on an interval scale.
Zero is
Ano ibig sabihin ito? In interval level.
no true zero. Because zero is always bigger than zero.
Okay, ako na lang, okay? So, no true zero because as you can see, yung, di ba may negative zero degree Celsius. But it doesn't mean that na dahil zero siya, wala na siyang heat na makukuha or wala nang heat na naroon sa Celsius na ito. Kasi nga, we have negative values. So meron tayong negative values. So wala tayong true zero. Okay, so kung sasabihin natin na true zero is, it means that kung sa mass ito, wala talagang timbang na nakukuha. But here, kasi nga meron tayong negative 50 or so on number, may mga negative tayo na values dito sa temperature, is wala itong true of zero. So meron pa rin heat na nakukuha, but hindi siya masyadong malaki compared dito sa
Values mo.
yes, okay. So, and makikita rin natin dito yung order at merong numerical values. So here, makikita natin yung difference, okay? So dito, walang difference na makikita. Walang order na makikita at walang ratio na makikita. Here, merong order, pero walang difference.
Yes.
And here naman, may order, may difference, at may difference and kanang rankings. Okay. And here naman, pinagsama na itong tatlo. So, ang traits ng tatlong level ay pinagsama na dito. Okay, so we can categorize, we can label, there's also a ranking or order, and we can also see the difference. So, sa ratio. Wait, wala pa ta sa ratio, guys. Okay. Okay, so here, difference na tanong. Okay, so ang difference sa 60 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius is what?
Difference?
Difference. So 40,
40. 60 minus 20. 60
and
minus
20,
20. 10.
and okay, so 10.
So, isubtract na rin siya?
Yes, so
Okay.
difference.
10.
Okay, so 10 and negative 15, the difference is
Negative 5. Negative
negative mali. So, negative 25.
25. Wala 25. Oh, ito ako 5. Sa mo eh.
Okay, so negative 25 degrees Celsius. So, gets mo ba kung ano meron? nominal, it is only used for labeling or identification. In this level, ordinal, identification, and orders or ranking. In interval level, we can see the difference and the order. Okay? And now, let's proceed to the last level. The ratio. Okay. So, please read, everyone.
Ratio is the highest level of measurement. As such, it carries the properties of the nominal, ordinal, and interval scales. Its additional advantage is the presence of a zero point, where zero indicates the total offset of the plate being measured.
Okay, gets lang ba?
Yes, internal level of measurement.
So, ito yung
Higher.
mataas na
Yes.
level of measurement.
Highest.
Because it
Higher,
carries
highest.
the properties of these three levels. Okay. So, and additional, sa advantage ito is kung sa interval ay walang true zero.
Sa ratio
naman ay meron tayo
True zero.
So, okay, for example, this paghihinaan ng boses. Okay, so for example, mass or weight.
Mass of weight, ugat ko siya dagaan. Mass.
Okay, so example natin is mass. Okay. So, 80 kilogram,
Ako, 90, 100.
40,
37.
25.
10, and
20 and
5.
0. No. 10 and 0. Ito include ang 0.
Ay, okay na naman sa 0, no?
Yes, so we have
Yeah.
0 in only
Ratio.
Ito yung advantage ng
Ratio.
natin. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we can see that the order, di ba?
Yes,
So meron
napapanood
tayong
ako eh.
order.
Ordinal.
Okay. So makikita natin na ang 80, itong 80 kilogram is yung pinakamabigat
Oo.
sa given natin na data.
Oo.
Second, ito,
And the 40.
10 and the
Zero.
0. And we can also see the difference.
Yes.
So ano ang difference ng 80 and
Subtract
80 and
and
40?
Subtract 40.
Okay, so 40 yung difference and 40.
Yes, 30.
And then 30.
0.
Anong 0?
10.
10.
Okay, tama. So 10
Versus
Wrong,
jockey
wrong.
picture.
Sure, teacher, so shrink.
Okay, di ba makikita natin yung difference or the position of the data? And ito naman, so dito, mago naman tayo sa 0 and given our value. So, di ba sinabi dito na ang advantage ng level na ratio, ang advantage ng level na ratio is meron siyang true zero.
Sa
Okay,
interval
so
wala, no?
here, sa interval walang true zero dahil
Yes.
merong negative values.
Opo.
Okay. So here, ang meaning nito, through 0 kilogram is wala talagang timbang na nakukuha. Or wala talagang value na nakukuha kasi nga meron tayong, or ang
True
letter
zero.
is meron
True zero.
Very good. Okay. Then we can also, meron ding meaning yung difference nila. Right? Or dito. Merong meaning. So, 80 is kanang 2 times ang bigat niya or yung timbang niya kaysa sa 40.
Oo.
Okay. And then this one, 40 and then
40 and then 30. I did it.
4.
4.
Okay. And then,
0.
okay, tama. So, 0.
Oh, nakananapin
So,
ng word.
yung pagkita nila is may kahulugan or it has a meaning, right? Gets mo ba?
Yes, opo.
Yes, okay.
Pero sa true
So, babalikan natin ulit para mas gets.
Lindot na bro.
Okay.
Sure na. Tabihan ito, sure.
So, here, ating babalikan ha, para
Yes po.
Nakinig na mabuti, guys.
Opo.
Okay, so in nominal level, and the first level of the
nominal,
and the
ordinal,
is
and
categorical.
Oo, di ba, category to.
Categorical, right?
Yeah,
i-categorize natin yung variable to categorize.
Yeah, gaya ng halimbawa ko kanina, girls and
Okay.
boys, i-categorize.
Tama. Tama. Diba? So in nominal, we use kanang okay. So in nominal, the number or the letter kanang, for example, A, B, C, D, and number 1, 2, 3, we can use it to label certain category. So example nito ayan, gender. Yung
Yes, boys and girls.
So we can use the variable or the letter. So M for male, F for female. Okay, in ordinal level, ito ay inilalarawan ito ang ranking. So in order, so for example, is the academic award.
Yes,
So
the
we can use the first honor, second
second,
honor,
third, and so on.
Okay, so we can
Yes.
see the order. So kung sino yung mataas is the first, of course. Second, susunod na mataas sa kanang ranking, and so on. So ang pinakamababa na noon ang fourth, for example, fourth lang
Tama.
hanggang fourth lang yung award. Okay, so
Oo.
yung pinakamaliit na ranking or pinakamababa na ranking is the fourth. Okay. And next one is
Interval.
but okay, so in ordinal, hindi pa natin nakikita yung difference kasi
Yeah.
wala pa nga values. Okay, no, walang values na ina-assign sa isang data. And the third one is the interval. So dito is makikita na rin natin ang actual amount or kasi nga ito, the third and the fourth levels or the interval and the ratio level is kailangan numerical siya. So meron lang mga values na ina-assign bawat data.
Yes.
So here, we can see the order. Sa interval, we can see the order and the difference between the variables.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so ang limitation na nito is wala siyang true.
Zero. No true zero.
Okay, parang yung naririnig ko lang na boses is kaya lagi na lang.
Wala ba yung pinag-class
So, in interval, ang limitation na nito is wala siyang true zero. Kasi nga, for example, sa 0 degrees Celsius, it doesn't mean na wala talagang heat na nandoon or nakukuha ang sa bagay. Kasi nga meron tayong negative values.
Yeah.
Okay. And we also,
The ratio.
nakikita rin natin dito yung difference, di ba?
Opo.
Ilang agwat meron sa 20 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius and negative 15 degrees Celsius. And lastly, dito naman tayo sa ratio.
None
So, ang
true
ratio is-
zero.
Okay, so it carries all the properties of the first, second,
And
and
third.
levels. Okay, so tama. So dito na makikita natin na may labeling na nagaganap. Pero
Yes.
isang order. Nakikita natin kung sino yung pinakamataas, sino yung pinakamababa. At meron din tayong difference na makikita. Nakikita natin dito kung ilang agwat ang meron sa first na data, and the second, and third, and fourth. Okay?
Yes.
Meron, dito rin natin makikita ang true zero. For example, nasa mass, so we have 0 kilogram.
Kilogram.
So it means that wala talagang timbang na nakukuha. Okay, very good. So, dyan lang natatapos. Next reporter.
Stop lang sa ito para di namin tayo na